Hello my dear friends, Roman is here. So, in today's video, I'd like to show you how to make a mini helicopter. So first, we need a 20 cm long plastic ruler, 15 to 20 cm long pencil, one screw, piece of a hacksaw, one drill bit, super glue and a lighter. First, make a hole near the 10 cm mark with a drill or a heated nail. Then make half centimeter cuts at both sides, near 12 and 8 cm marks. Now hit the cuts with a lighter and bend them sideways. Do it as equally as possible. Now take the pencil and make a hole for the screw. Make sure that the right blade looks up and the left one looks down. Half twist the screw, then apply some super glue. And twist the screw till the end, so the blades would not twist on their own. That's all! Our simple and fun toy is ready! It works by quickly spinning the pencil in your hands. But that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next one.